Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to talk about the life and career of Yağmur Yüksel, who has already become a prominent figure on Turkish television. However, beyond her successful acting work, there are a few recent events in her life that we should discuss today. Yağmur Yüksel is known for keeping the details of her personal life private. She avoids ambiguous situations and scandals, preferring to stay in the background of her professional work. But, as often happens with public figures, gossip and speculation have found their way to her. One such topic that attracted attention was the on-screen couple Dilan and Baran from the series Bloodflowers. Fans began to speculate about a possible romantic relationship between the actors off-screen. However, it is known that Baruch Baktash, who played Baran, is married, and there has been no official confirmation of a romance with Yağmur. The actress herself has stated that she has not fallen in love yet and hopes to find a fairy tale love. Just like in the series, at the moment, Yağmur is dedicating much of her time to improving her acting skills. And in her free hours, she enjoys spending time with family and friends, listening to music, and reading books. The actress also actively shares moments from her life with her fans through Instagram, where she posts photos with her family, including her mother, father, and sister. These photos show how important her family's support and love are to her. Unfortunately, recently, Yağmur faced a wave of hate and offensive comments directed at her. However, she decided not to stay silent and filed a complaint with the authorities, expressing her intention to protect her reputation in court. The actress's lawyer stated that several profiles spreading offensive remarks have already been blocked. Following this, Baruch Baktash also published a statement saying that he would also protect his rights against those who publish indecent content about him. Thank you for joining us. If you want more news about Yağmur Yüksel and other favorite actors, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.